Yun ang pwedeng power move, although he did not convert. Because there, you see a little guy like Willie Miller going up against one defender, then a bigger defender in the end, still being able to manage to try to throw up a shot.
You can make an argument the power is in the ability to make a big man commit a foul on you.
That's right.
And to take it, to be able to take it.
Meron pa tayong power move.
Yes,
pero iba
our
ito.
power move brought to you by Derby's Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Yamada featuring Cabagnot. Two nice ball fakes.
Well, this is more of like a finesse move for me. Yan ang parang pinanonood mo si Steve Nash.
Yep. Minus the broken nose.
We don't
And
want,
the black eye.
yeah, everything, no?
Lahat.
Buti, kanina may patch pa doon, di ba? Yung isang slogan doon.
The toughest guy in the NBA.
Toughest guy, eh.
Who's going to contest that? Huh? Now, meantime, here's Cabagnot on the move, all the way. Yo, can't get the bounce. 2-point game para sa Ginebra. Here's Miller. Miller stops. Oh, bad pass. And Arvin Santos on the ball, and Arvin Santos gets the layup.
Well, a bad turnover there because it means to an easy 2 points. Tabla na naman tayo at 73 all. Remember, Ginebra had a 14-point lead going here into the third quarter.
By the way, that was a nice pass coming from Cabagnot for Arvin Santos. Now
Right
here's
on
Miller.
the money, no?
Miller. Kagiwa off the glass.
Binawi naman ni Willie yung kanyang kalokohan kanina. Sabi niya, ba't ko pinasaan yun? Hindi ko naman naging kakampi yan, kahit kailan.
By the way, Kagiwa in double figures with 10 points. And the lead is back with Ginebra, 75-73. Under 3 minutes to go in the third quarter. Tubin and Freeman really going at it for a moment. And here's Washington. Washington, drop pass. Washington again. No go. Tip in para kay Gabe Freeman.
That's a great rebounder, a great finisher. 16 in the ball game. Ilan na rebound niya? Double figures rin na rebound yun.
Yancey, two-pointer. Oh, that's a three. But Don Kinigan making the signal. They'll review that shot.
Yeah, yung 3, sinignal kasi nung referee. So you have to, but they will review
They'll
that.
review that later on. But right now, it's a 3-point lead for Ginebra. And Hatfield has the ball. Hatfield over to Miller. Miller sets up Yancey for 3.
Yun talagang 3 yun, kaso hindi lang pumasok. Malayo yun.
It's been a pulsating third quarter inside the Big Dome.
Pagod na rin yung mga player na yan. No? Lalo na yan sa San Miguel. Karamihan dyan. Starting 5 din na sa third quarter.
Here's Freeman. Minute and a half remaining in the third. Kagiwa on the right side. Kagiwa already in double figures. And steal by Gabe Freeman against Mark Kagiwa. And here's Freeman. Thought about it. Fires a pass. Arvin Santos.
Nahuli bumaba si Ronald Tubin, so it became like a 5-on-4 situation after the turnover.
78-77. Still a 1-point lead para sa Ginebra. 1 minute to go in the third. Earlier, Kagiwa lost that ball and now he gives it to Miller. Here's Tubin for 3. In and out. Hatfield with the rebound.
And that's another foul there on Gabe Freeman. Pang-apat na niya yan.
And Freeman is distraught. Not at all pleased with that foul.
Result, he got all ball. It looked like all ball. Problema pag pumalo ka dito talaga minsan. Yung sinasabi natin pumapalo ka towards the ball. No?
When you lower that arm 9 out of 10 times, you will be called for a foul. Lots of changes here. As you mentioned, Dr. J, hingal na yung mga player kanina.
Pagod na si Cabagnot, pagod na actually si Freeman, pagod na rin yun. Si Ontiveros, pagod na yun. Nagumpisa yun sa third quarter, tuloy-tuloy. Isipin mo yung nahabol mo.
Look at Cabagnot na. Yan ang hingal na hingal. Same with Washington. And same with Freeman. Although Freeman,
Ba? Siyempre ito yung ginawa ni Alvin. Direct laro ang 5 ball.
so 2-point game para sa Ginebra, 79-77.
Never going to a zone here. Rico at the center of the zone.
Lennox inside, lost it. A nice swipe by Helterbrand. Helterbrand to Kagiwa, back outside. Helterbrand for 3, no go, off the mark.
Rico.
And Villanueva keeps that ball alive. And now Ginebra can go for the last basket of the third quarter. They go to Kagiwa against Jonas Villanueva. 5 seconds to go. Kagiwa for 3, in and out. Arwin Santos with the ball, and he'll just hold on to the leather here. At the end of 3 quarters, and the fans loving the action. 2-point game para sa Ginebra, 79-77. One more quarter to go. We'll be back in a moment.
5 teams get Ginebra.
Win. I mean, all I want to word win. It's not gonna get any easier.
Gordon for 3. Yes, sir! What a start!
Win. I mean, win.
Playing hard and when they paid out for it. Hudson Fallen never gave up. Never gave up.
Oh, what a connection. Huge one.
It's not gonna get any easier.
You know, it's a 48-minute game and gotta keep plugging away. And
Mento's in. Basket is good plus a foul.
48-minute game and
It's not gonna get any easier. Win.
Well, this is PBA Wednesday at magandang gabi po sa kanilang lahat. Ako po si Miko Alili, kasama si Dr. J. The D to the J, Dr. J. At we've got a nice pulsating game here. 2 puntos lang ang bati rito ng Ginebra, 79-77.
Actually, review niya yung pinag-usapan natin yung tinira ni Yancy De Ocampo dito sa left-hand side kung if he was stepping on the line. If it was a 2-point shot, they would only have a 1-point lead. But it was a great third quarter for San Miguel. But Ginebra, they still kept their composure using people coming off the bench. You know, medyo na ano na yung mga starters except for Willie Miller. So, it was important thing to get contributions from people coming off their bench. Ang problema dito sa San Miguel, 4 fouls na si Gabe Freeman.
Right now,
I think they have probably made, I think he might have been stepping on the line here. Let's see. See, there you can see his foot comes into the picture. And I think if he's... So it's only a 1-point lead, no? Maliwanag naman, may ebidensya yan, pare. May ebidensya yan. Hard evidence.
hard evidence.
Oo, oo. Hindi
Dapat,
ano yan.
dapat kung may reklamo, dapat talaga may hard evidence. Mahirap yung haka-haka lang.
Ito.
Oh, Helterbrand on the move, and the layup is good. Oh, that nice swipe. And now it's a 3-point lead as we begin the fourth quarter.
Alam mo, Miko, hinabol talaga ni Danny yun. Idelfonso, bablangkahin niya yan. Pero that was a very difficult scoop shot there by Helterbrand to make it. No?
Missed by Jonas Villanueva. You saw that big third quarter performance by San Miguel. And here's Kagiwa, no go.
And Rico Villanueva with the follow-up, and he was fouled. So he'll go to the free throw line. Dorian Peña picking up his third personal foul. Rico went 1 out of 2 from the free throw line earlier. Ito, isa pa rin ito nagmano. Ewan ko kung anong mangyari dito.
As Villanueva misses the first free throw. Pag ako nagmano, Dr. J, what do I gain? What benefits do I get if I show my respect by...
You know, I will never forget you. Isa na yun. So,
That's it?
obviously, I may have to take you out, di ba? I'll give you a free massage.
Maybe I'll pass.
Hindi, yung tunay.
Okay.
Yung talaga yung masakit sa, di ba minsan, nowadays, parating mainit ang katawan natin. Dahil
Akala
sa
ko,
pawis.
Dr. J, ikaw magmamasahe sa akin. Sabi ko, no, thanks na
I
lang.
give you a free massage, not for me.
That free throw is brought to you by B. McDerby's Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Liman.
He never goes back to the zone. They don't have an import on the floor.
Look who's on the floor.